What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. So from my last video, this might be completely different, so I may be starting this as a new series. So what we have right here, 3 photoresistors. We have, so they're just like regular resistors, but their intensity changes based on light sensitivity, as we can see right here. So these are sensors that change the resistance depending on the amount of light that hits them. And let's see what else. So unfortunately I wasn't able to build this in real time because I only have 2. And so for what we're going to use it for, you can barely see it, but there's an RGB, it's a light that can change to pretty much any color. And yeah, you need 3. I believe I haven't done any code on it yet because I just started, but I believe it's going to be red, green, blue. So you need 3. I did order them. I did order some online, so hopefully they're here soon. And as far as this goes, we're just going to go ahead and build it virtually. And then, hopefully, we learn something from this. Look at the photoresistor and the components and find more information about the resistor. If you hover over it, does it tell you what it is? No. Oh, okay. We move. Pulse width modulation. Oh, is that what that is? Right here, digital. Pulse width. We have 3 of them connected here. I've connected to these as well before. Then we have analog. In this project, you'll be fading different color LEDs on and off to mix colors on an RGB LED together. You might expect that it's just a matter of providing less voltage to an LED to get it to fade. The Arduino can't vary the output voltage on its pins. It can only output 5 volts. Hence, you need to use a technique called pulse width modulation. Again, right here. It rapidly turns the output pin high and low repeatedly. The change happens faster than the human eye can see. So the light appears dim. So it just changes the pulse, right? Is that what happens? This is similar to the way movies work, quickly flashing a number of still images to create the illusion of motion. Below we had to find 2 terms. Let's see. So the time it takes to complete, the duty cycle, the percentage. Okay. What else? The duty cycle, 50%. The Arduino has 6 pins set aside for PWM. You can see them right here. 3. Why not 1 through 7? I wonder why that is. Why they're separated like that. They can be identified with that. Continue to the next lesson to learn how to build the circuit. Alright, let's go on to the next lesson. Setting up the circuit. Alright. I don't know why we started from the beginning again. I already kind of had it built off of the picture, but connecting to power, I kind of already seen the picture, but let's go ahead and start with the ground. So ground usually goes from here to there. Then we have, this is a little, actually, now I'm looking at the picture because I can barely see this here. So this goes like that, and then we have our power. What is this called? Ground and what? Is this called power? Or is it, it's called positive? Oh, it changes this as well. That's not what I intended it to do. I'll change it back now. Okay, there it is. So you have your ground and your negative and positive. And then you have connect the power. Wait, I completely skipped this here. You'll wire it, the breadboard, connect the 5 volts. to the ground pins. Help connect the top and bottom. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Connect the power and the ground rails to. Bang, bang. Okay, we kind of got it. Adding photoresistors. I believe it's 3 of them. Does it show a picture? It does show a picture. Ooh, nice. It's updated. The last picture, it showed the old way. It's before the update. They used to have bigger resistors. So, see how right here the legs are only 1-to-1? In the old picture, the legs were from here to here. You might still be able to do that. So I was to do, if I was to, it might be a little bit messy though. So I was to do this here. And then let's say, like that. From here it's here, let's say. So you might still be able to do it, you just connect it that way. But it's a little bit messy. Let's go ahead and just delete that. Let's go ahead and let's see. We're gonna be adding 3, right? Adding photoresistors, 3 photoresistors at the end of the project. Sense different color of light, and using color filters, boom boom, bang bang. Follow the instructions below. Place 3 photoresistors on the breadboard, attach that. I kind of want to just look at the picture and do it. But before I do that, I just kind of see if I'm missing any important information or anything like that. On the other side of the photoresistor, resistors, stuff like that. Finally, you can name each one of your photoresistors so you remember which sensors associated with each color. Alright, so, okay, so I need 3, and then I need, 3 photoresistors. These are all the same. Then I need 3 regular resistors. These I believe were 10K. Right? 10K. 10K. Yeah. Okay. Now I need to align them very close to each other. 2 apart. Yocho. 2 apart. Right there. I think. Yeah. Okay, I don't like this. I like how it just pops up right here. Okay, there it is. 2 apart. Then we need to add the I need 2 more. Paste. Boom. Okay. Now it just goes from the left pin to ground. Yeah, ground. It's just a little bit different. Over here I'm used to it, and ground being at the top, or closer. So, something a little bit different. And then here we have, let's see, like that. And I imagine there's a few connections here. We have power from the right pin, power. So we're gonna go with red, power. Okay, next up, power again, I believe. Power, we're gonna go with A0, 1, and 2. A0, 1, and 2 from the left pin, right? Left pin, yeah, left pin. A0, this is all analog, so A0, 1, and 2. And I believe that's it. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Let's look at it schematically. Let's see what that looks like. Sometimes it takes a little bit to load though. Meantime, while it's loading, it's been a pretty good day. And yeah, okay, it's taking a while. Schematic view. Yeah, it's gonna take a bit. Here we can see the components parts. We need 3 photoresistors and 10K resistors. 3 10K resistors. And the schematics still loading. We'll leave that for some other day. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.